Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope that you're living your best blessed life. You guys, I got another Dollar Tree empties for you. Your girl be going through this Dollar Tree stuff. I'm just not buying it and not using it, you guys. I am using it, you guys. So let's get right into it. These were good. The Glad sandwich bags. This was the bonus buy, you guys. These were good. I've already re-upped on some of these. Actually, I think I hauled a brand called BOL that the Dollar Tree has right now. So these were good. You guys already know I always buy these. So I'm done with that, you guys. Also used up my cosmetic wedges, the 28 pieces, Sassy and Chic. I love those. I just bought 2 more because I love them so much. You probably will see that in an upcoming haul, you guys. Also, I don't know if you guys remember when I hauled this Lever 2000 men's musky cedarwood body wash right here, you guys. My husband actually liked it, you guys. He said it was good. So yeah, he said it was good. Let's see if we can get these out the way, because you guys already know, and I'm probably gonna find another one down here on the bottom. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I have so many of them, you guys. Oh my Lord. You guys probably already know what it is. No, it's not the Super Berry Blast, but I do have some of that in there, but it's not that. It's these Gains, you guys. Oh my God, how many do I have? I have 6 that I've used all of them, you guys. All of them. And I have the big one as well, but I still just seem to gravitate to these little ones. I don't know why. I'm supposed to be saving those, but I already bought some more, you guys, and I did put those away. So we'll see how long that lasts. And of course, I have make sure there was nothing else in here. The Gain Original dryer sheets that has 15 in there. Love those. Got through with my pain patch relief, you guys. Like I was telling you guys, these work so well. Really well, you guys. You get 20 in a box, and they come in a little bag like this on a little strip that you peel one side, and then you can peel the other side if you want to use one or if you want to use 2. So I love those, you guys. This water was good. I hauled this water, I don't remember when, but it was a couple of, I don't know where I'm getting this white stuff from. Oh, I know where. It's powder. I was like, where in the world is going on? But anyway, you guys, this Nirvana Positively Pure Natural Spring Water was really good, you guys. Really, really, really good. So let's see. Oh my God, you guys, yet another Gain. So that's a total of 7. That's the total of 7, you guys. The charcoal Irish Spring soap, I opened it last week and we're using it now, so I like it. It's good. I like it. So that was good. Now we're getting into the Super Berry Blast drinks that I love, you guys. I've drank these 2. I want to say I drank drink. I don't know how you say it. Potato, drink, drunk. I don't know. I know I've had I've had 2 more since then. So I must have just threw those in the garbage and forgot to put them in my Dollar Tree's empty bag, you guys. So sorry about that. I love getting these from the Dollar Tree, you guys. If you see these in the Dollar Tree, you guys, get them. They are really, really good. Let me see how much sodium is in sodium. The sodium is not great. 890 milligrams of sodium is a lot of sodium, but I noticed that chicken broth, no matter what brand you buy, has a lot of sodium in it. But the ones from the Walmart or my local grocery store, Winn-Dixie, but it's like Swanson, I forgot the other brands. They seem to taste a lot more saltier than the ones from the Dollar Tree. So that's why I always get the ones from the Dollar Tree. And I use these to make my ZUPPA TOSCANA soup. So amazing. I will link that video again in case somebody is new watching this channel and want to make ZUPPA TOSCANA like Olive Garden. Amazing from scratch. It is so good, you guys. These are the chicken broths that I use for that recipe. So delicious. The White House raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, really good, you guys. I was surprised to see that's a name brand at Dollar Tree, so that was good. I think I just bought another one because I saw another one in the Dollar Tree, so that was good. This is what the white stuff was that was on my hand, you guys. The Arm & Hammer body powder, talc free. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, it smells so good too. I love that. Used up another Colgate Renew. This one is the whitening restoration cool mint gel, you guys. I probably have about 5 more of these left because I think I bought a total of 8. I think, but we've been using other toothpaste in between that, so. And just finished using this one as well, the Crest Fresh and White Peppermint Gleam Paste. Yep, we used that one as well. Just got through I just got through using another in-wash aroma booster and odor eliminator for the washing machine. You just pour some in here, toss it in the washing machine, and whoo, I should just sit this out right here because it smells so good, you guys. Because I'm gonna throw it away anyway, so, but I'm gonna let all that come out, you guys. This, you guys, the Voss Raspberry Rose Sparkling Water that I hauled not too long ago, you guys. Ew. Ugh, I did not like this, you guys. I'm not a sparkling water type of person anyway. And I love the Voss water though. I love the Voss water, but I had high hopes for this. I was like, oh, this should be good. Raspberry Rose sparkling water. Yes. I was like, yes, this should be really good. Yo, this was nasty to me. I took one sip like this. I was like, ew. I was like, ew, that is disgusting. I hated that, you guys. I hated that. The V8 Strawberry Cucumber. I didn't like this one either, you guys. The V8 Hydrate Strawberry Cucumber. I didn't like that either, you guys. The only thing I like, I'm gonna get it because I have it right here, is are these. These are the only sparkling waters that I actually like, you guys. And I still have 3 more boxes, so yay me. So yeah, you guys. Oh, this these two things, unless you are a lover of sparkling water. Is this one sparkling water too? This one is just, this was just a regular water, but I didn't like this one. But definitely, unless you love sparkling water. Yeah. Probably got through the peaches and strawberry. It's jello, really. It says gel, but it's jello. So, yep. Got through that, you guys. I actually drank this whole thing, you guys. Yay, me! I'm patting myself in the back because y'all already know. Me and water are not friends. We should be besties, but we're not. So, I don't mind drinking this without putting anything in it, so I will drink this. So I usually pick these up at the Dollar Tree when I see them, and there's another big one that I normally get there too. We went through the Fruitessa strawberry preserves. When I was telling you guys, this is some amazing preserves, jelly, jam, whatever you want to call it, but it says preserves. And I told you that it was a product of Egypt. So delicious, and the calories are 50, you guys. So woo, it's so good. Oh my god, I buy that all the time. I have another Alka 65, the small bottle. I thought I just did one, but I guess not. So yeah, you guys, I like to take these to church because I'm a praise and worship leader. So woo, the throat, and then I need the electrolytes to restore and all of that, you guys. So I just bring the little one. I wish they had a size in between these two, because I would get the one that was in between. If I don't drink this, I'll drink the Fiji water that I usually get from the Dollar Tree as well. Yep, Dollar Tree has Fiji water, you guys. And these, oh my god, these ponds purify and refresh, gently cleanse and hydrates, effectively removing makeup, dirt, and impurities. Oh my god, you guys, these are so good. I love this product. Like I was telling you guys on one of my hauls, when my first time using this, I was like, wait a minute, am I going to stop using my Neutrogena dupes from Dollar Tree and start using this now? I don't know. I'm definitely thinking about it, you guys. Definitely thinking about it, because oh my god, this product is amazing. If you see it in Dollar Tree, only thing, it only has like 10, where the Dollar Tree retinol dupes for Neutrogena has 30 wipes in there. So that's the only thing. Now, you guys never seen me haul this, but I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wipes with tea tree oil and calendula. I think that's how you say that. And it came in this little black package, and it was only 10 as well, you guys. These are okay. They're okay. I don't like them better than this one or my Neutrogena dupes. The thing about this one, it just dried out too fast for me. Like, I think I'm going to use this, like, let me see, is this, it has a little, I mean, it is a little damp, but it might be good to wipe your hands with or something like that, but I didn't like it for my face at all. So I won't be picking that up anymore if I see it. Just finished the Secret. This is the Shower Fresh one. I love getting that from the Dollar Tree, you guys. What is this? I love this. I'm like, why do I feel hair? I'm like, oh, it's from my little ponytail, you guys. From my little ponytail. This was one of the headbands that I recently hauled, you guys. I loved it. I will insert a picture of how it looked. It was so pretty. I love headbands. I absolutely love headbands. So I love this product. I'm not sure if you guys saw me haul this or not. Maybe I showed it, maybe I didn't show it, or honestly, I'm not sure. It might have been in like one of my first hauls when I first got on YouTube, maybe. But it's the Flower Glossy Gel Eyeliner, and it came in a pack. It came in this type of package, you guys, and it looks like this. It looks like this. It says Flower. And actually, it's like, I used it all up, you guys. It's like gone. But actually, it's like a midnight blue. And it has a little bit of glitter in it. So pretty. It's an eyeliner. I use it every day. And when I bought these, I bought 10 of them. So I think I only have like maybe 7 left. I think I have about 7 left, you guys. And is that it? Yep. That is it, you guys. Let me see and put this away. Woo! My. Woo, this thing smells so good, y'all. I can't wait till Dollar Tree gets this back. Like I'm telling you guys, y'all better scoop these up if you ever see these in the Dollar Tree. Because if y'all don't scoop them up, I will definitely be scooping them up. And I'll probably buy 30 of them, you guys. That's how much I like this product. And you get so much for $1.25, and the fragrance is amazing. It lasts so long on your clothes, and when you put your clothes away after you finish washing them and drying them, and you put them in the drawer, like I said, when I was at my cruise, I had put everything in the drawer. When I pulled it open, all I could smell was this, you guys. I was like, whoo, so good, so good. So you guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree empties. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you again to all who wished me a very happy birthday. I can't believe I just turned 60. I'm like, woo, but it's a blessing. It is a blessing to be able to say I'm 60 years old, because a lot of people don't make it to 20, 30, 40, 50, but God has blessed me to see 60, and I'm so grateful and thankful to him, because he didn't have to do it. He didn't have to do it, but I'm so glad that he did. So I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day, your morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Know that I appreciate you guys. I pray for all of you guys all the time. I pray for all of my subscribers, you guys. I love you guys, and you're gonna see this same outfit because I just went to Sprouts, you guys, for the very first time. And I bought a couple of things, not a lot of things. I bought a couple of things, and I just want to share them with you guys. So when I finish this video, I'm going to do a haul on my Sprouts, you guys, and a few things I got from Aldi. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Be kind to someone and keep living your best blessed life. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.